Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, let's try to lay out the flag animation on Photoshop. Yeah, before we try to lay out on Animate, but now we try to lay out on Photoshop. Yeah, before we have 1 frame, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, before I teach all of you how to create this. Yeah, we prepare the scenario to have frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you got what I mean. Let's try to lay out on Photoshop. Okay, I will stop first. I will share the Photoshop. Yeah, I use Photoshop Portable CS3. Yeah, okay, I will try to open. Yeah, we have ready number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I will try to open this file. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, we have number 1. We can change. Yeah, we can change the name of layer, maybe number 1. Okay, after that we can open this 2. There is the okay. I will change the layer and then I move here. Okay, it's the same position. Okay, it's number 2. That's it. We'll open number 3. Okay, change the layer. After that I move here. I stick on same position. It's number 3. Okay, I will open number 4. Okay, change the layer to layer and move here. Okay, and change the number 4. Open number 5. Okay, number 5. Change the background to layer and move here. Okay, but don't remember. Okay, number 5 and the last number 6. Okay, change background to layer. Change here. Okay, done. Okay, number 6. Okay, don't remember we must save as first. Yeah. Okay, flag animation. Flag. Okay, let's try to make this, yeah, to animation. Okay, now we visibility this layer. We have number 1. Maybe I set first delay time. yeah, maybe 0.2. After that we duplicate this frame, and then ISO number 2, yeah. After that duplicate again number 3, duplicate again number 4, duplicate again number 5, duplicate again number 6. After that we can play, yeah. But it's not smooth. Okay, I will change the delay time, maybe 0.1. Let's see. Okay, but it's not smooth. And here I duplicate selected frame again, but I show number 5. Okay, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1 again, yeah. Number 1, it's same with this, yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay, now it's smooth. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then back to 5 4 3 2 1, and looping the moving, yeah. If you want to increase the delay time, you can select all and then set the point, example 0.2 seconds and so on, yeah. Okay, try. I will save first, save, and then I will save for web. Okay, wait a minute, save for web and export to GIF, yeah. Export to GIF, yeah. Export to GIF. If you want to setting this option, it's okay, but I use the default of this, yeah. Default of this, okay. And then save. Okay, we'll try flag animation only. I will take number 1, yeah. GIFs only, flag number 1, GIFs only. Okay, save. Wait a minute, and then you can try to insert. Okay, I will try to show on maybe PowerPoint, yeah, maybe PowerPoint. Okay, let's try. I will stop the share first. I will share the screen, the PowerPoint. Okay, let's try. We insert picture. I know we name flag animation number 1. Okay, insert. Okay, that's it, and try to slideshow. Okay, you see the flag will display on flag animation on display on PowerPoint. Okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.